Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Shiba and Trust wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Tab open a Trust wallet application. To begin, make sure that you're logged into a Trust wallet from the main homepage of Trust wallet, which looks like this. Go and tap on the buy button at the top, and in the search button type in Shiba. Once a search for Shiba, you'll be able to see the coin and displayed right beneath in the search result. Tap it on, and in the buy section enter the amount of Shiba that you'd like to purchase. The minimum purchase will be 50. Once you type in the amount that you'd like to purchase, you'll be able to see the amount of Shiba you will be buying with a particular amount. Select your payment method right beneath where it says Simplex and tap it on. You can either select Simplex or MoonPay. Let me tap on Simplex since it has the best rate for Shiba. Tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen after you're done. And this will take you to a new tab. Go ahead and enter your card number and other details and tap on the next button beneath, and that is how you'll be able to buy Shiba and Trust wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.